Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we talk about everything about becoming a medical virtual assistant, even if you're a beginner. In our previous video, we talked about who is a medical virtual assistant, and today we'll be talking about the daily tasks in which a medical virtual assistant does in a remote setting. So if you are seeing my video for the very first time, I am Glory Kenneth and I help aspiring medical virtual assistants to become a medical virtual assistant, even if you are a beginner. So if you are in any profession, an engineer, an agriculturist, you can become a medical virtual assistant as far as you have the passion. So today, let's dive into the daily tasks in which a medical virtual assistant does in a remote setting. So, number one task is patient appointments and scheduling. As a medical virtual assistant, you are bound to schedule appointments for patients. A patient calls your facility and wants to schedule an appointment with your doctor. You are responsible to book appointments for such an individual. So as a medical virtual assistant, you should have that at the back of your mind that one of the tasks you are to be doing is patient scheduling and appointment management. So number two, email management. As a medical virtual assistant, you are bound to respond to inquiries both for doctors and also patients. So you should have that at the back of your mind that another task you'll be doing when employed, it is email management. Number three, it is billing. We talk about billing support. You are responsible to bill patients. A patient wants to run a particular test, maybe a laboratory test, and you as a medical virtual assistant, you are expected to bill the patient to know the amount and the price in which that particular test is being done, even if it's prescription of drugs. Number four is medical data entry. As a medical virtual assistant, you are expected to take records of patients, everything going on in your remote setting. So you are expected to take records as a medical virtual assistant. Number five, administrative support. You'll be asked to do some calendar management, office roles, in which all these are done virtually. Understand that all these are done virtually. So you are responsible to take administrative support to help the facility move ahead. The next task is medical transcription. As a medical virtual assistant, you are bound to transcribe doctor's voice notes into patient understanding. That is written notes in which a patient can really understand wherever he or she may be. The next task is insurance verification. As a medical virtual assistant, you are bound to verify the eligibility of the patient before booking an appointment. And the last is follow-up. You are bound to follow up a patient. Oh, this patient has been given a prescription to take paracetamol in the morning, in the night. As a medical virtual assistant, you are bound to follow up such an individual. So with all being said, I've been able to explain the different tasks a medical virtual assistant does in a remote setting. So in our next video, we'll be talking about the different skills a medical virtual assistant needs to have before you begin the medical role. So like, subscribe, and share this video to your loved ones and any aspiring medical virtual assistant. See you in my next video. Bye.